Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about that what are the topics we are going to discuss in our upcoming video, what is the basic things we are going to discuss, and then who will get benefit from these courses. First of all, who have admin knowledge or who have ServiceNow basic knowledge, they can go through these courses. There is nothing very fancy or what we are going to use that all this ITSM related stuff. So who have basic ServiceNow admin courses or who have understand the ServiceNow basic, they can go through these courses. In this course, we are going to do all this end-to-end, all this ServiceNow AI feature. We are going to discuss from generative AI to this now assist skill. We are going to discuss about AI agent and agentic workflow. Also, we'll try to explore very other prospect like now assist creator, now assist data kit. All these things we are going to discuss in this video. In future also, if there is in major release any new features introduce, I'll try to add into this playlist. So you can add this playlist as a favorite, and then you can check in future any AI related content will be available into this series. I just quickly wrap up like what is the now assist and what is the generative AI. So generative AI is nothing but whatever it can generate. Let's say that you give a lot of text and from the text it can generate that. Or you ask in the prompt like I want to generate some image and it generates something that is called generative AI. Now Assist is a tools that help us to not only generating something, it can help you to there are already lot of now assist skill available into the service now. There are creator, ITSM skill, creator skill, or item skill available. You can leverage that skill. I'll discuss that in our upcoming video. What is this now assist skill? Also, we'll create that custom now assist skill. So out of box, there are a lot of now assist skill are available, but you can create your own custom now assist skill and then you can perform that. We'll further discuss about that AI Studio, AI Agent, Agentic Workflow, all these things in our upcoming video. You can see that these are the topic. I'll try to cover that. If something is missing, you can ping me in comments or I'll try to add as much details as possible into this video. Now, you might be asked that where can I practice these now assist features or these AI features? You cannot use the developers tool to practice these AI features into your service instance. Either if you have customer instance, you can practice there into the customer instance or customer dev instance in the dev environment, or you can go to this ITSM essentials course into this now learning and get a instance, and there you can practice that. So anything is fine. You can go and get any instances and you can practice that. So that's it for today. Keep watching and understand the rest of the topics. Thank you very much. Have a great day.